James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be tying a teal green Zegna tie. It's a very pretty tie. I like the Zegna products. They make a very high quality product. Hopefully you can see it here in the picture. It has a geometric design of squares with circles inside the squares, and then it has some striping going on kind of in between those. It's a real pretty teal color, and the squares are like almost a silver with a navy blue inside. So we're pairing that today with a navy blue suit and a pink shirt just to be able to get a little pop of color. This is a brand new tie. I just got it in a couple weeks ago. Let me take the tag off real quick. Some of these Zegna ties, they put a little price tag on a sticker, and you got to just make sure you don't pull the fabric when you take care of that. So we'll go through the look here with you in just a minute. But as far as a review, like most Zegna ties, just a really nice, solid luxury tie. They use a very high quality silk. It's not super thick, but it's also not as thin as like a Ferragamo, which I have a lot of. So let's tie this up and see what it looks like. It's about the same thickness as most of my Zegna ties. I do have a couple that are extra thick though, so it shouldn't be a problem tying this morning. See if we can get it perfect. That's how I like to get it. Most of my Zegna ties are going to be right in this range, maybe right here as far as length goes. So let's get our length and let's come in. Let's teach you how to tie. Take the long part of the tie over top of the short part. And I've said in my videos before, I'm going to say it again. The key to tying a tight, beautiful knot is to keep everything flat and tight during the tying process. So we go over the top, then we come in behind, and you'll know, if you notice when I tie, I always keep fingers on the knots. And then we come around behind. Now I trade hands so I can get over here, up and over and through. And I'm holding on this knot the whole time. Now this is what I call the checkpoint. This is where I want to look and see what's going on with this triangle. Make sure it's coming together nice, which it is. Now I'll come around the front and then up and through. And now we've created a little pocket right here, and I'm going to push this down through the pocket, hold the top of the pocket, and pull the tie through. Now we hold on to the knot, and we pull the long part of the tie, pull this part of the tie here to tighten the knot, and then the shorter part of the tie to bring it up. And then let's tighten this knot up, and let's look at how our length looks. The tip of the tie, this part of the tie, should come somewhere between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. That's the goal, the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. If it overhangs a little bit, that's okay, but you don't want it short of the belt buckle. So it looks like we've got this one right at halfway, so that's perfect. Let's put this collar down and look and see what this tie looks like. Yeah, tidy this up just a little bit. We take the back and we put it through. There's the tag of the tie can serve as a strap to hold the tie. Some of the ties have another strap right here of silk, so this just tucks in behind through that. There we go. Now we have a perfectly tied tie, and let's put the suit jacket on. The look should be scrolling at the bottom of your screen. I'll go over it with you here in just a second. Okay. So what we have today is we have a navy blue Hermes Zegna suit. So it's a Zegna suit. We have a pink Brooks Brothers shirt. We have a teal green Zegna tie, Hermes Zegna tie. We're pairing this with a brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gunmetal belt buckle, and we're putting it with a pair of brown Ferragamo shoes. I like to go browns with blues typically. Every now and then I'll mix that up. But we've got a great look here. I like the teal on the pink. Just gives a little pop of color. On my Instagram, you're going to see close-ups of the tie. You'll see close-ups of it tied close and everything else. The Instagram is Tie Guy James Akers. But as of now, I am ready for work.